So welcome back to another video. So today in this video I'm going to be talking about circular economy. So this is the website you have to visit, ce-ethereum.com, and you can visit this website. So this is the website you can get a good amount of returns, reliable investment, and get 200% up to your deposits. That's really something you might be looking for. It's blockchain, decentralized and anonymous platform, totally secure income based on Ethereum, smart contract verified and audited by independent company. So that's the company that you're looking for, and you can have this make investment now button. You have here check CE smart contract. We will double your funds. Now how they do is without any risk. Unlimited earning. So that's you might be looking for. Unlimited earning with always growing rates. We provide investment conditions with growing percentage depending on basic interest rate, and smart contracts total balance bonus and personal hold bonus. Maximal allowable profit is 200% per every deposit. So you get around 200% profit for every deposit that you make, and reliability of Ethereum smart contract scam is impossible. So this is the legit website, and it's worldwide legal company with professional team. That's the thing that you must be looking forward to. And investment conditions. So they have the basic interest rate for plus 1% every 24 hours. So that's roughly around 0.0416% hourly. And they have personal hold bonus. Minimum deposit is 0.1 Ethereum and total income is 200% deposit included. So that's 0.1% for every 24 hours without withdraw. So you have to just deposit and keep your money like there, and they will make use of your Ethereum and they will generate profits for you. Contract total amount bonus is plus 0.1% for every 100 Ethereum on platform balance. So that's here. So how to work with platform? There are just 3 simple steps to get earnings. So step 1 is make deposit. Send your Ethereum to a smart contract. So you have to just click on the make deposit button, and that's it. They will give you the address. You have to send their Ethereums onto that address, and it will reflect in your account. That 0.1 Ethereum, that's minimum. And step 2 is get earnings. Get your Ethereum every moment. You can check all your wallet information, including your deposit, earnings, withdraw, and referral statistics in real time. So they also have a referral program where you can earn 10 levels of affiliate rewards, that 5% to 2.5% to 1% to 0.5% to 0.1%. Referral rewards comes instantly on your wallet and can be withdrawn anytime along with earnings. So that's something really decent. And step 3 is request withdraw. That's it. You have to just make a deposit, keep your money for there, and just request a withdraw. Your payout will come instantly, and request withdraw from the same wallet you deposited. All your wallet deposit and referral earnings will be withdrawn in a single transaction per one request. So that's it. Who doesn't like easy money? Just go to this website, ce-ethereum.com. That's the website. Circular economy. You have me, and I have been investing in them, and they are really reliable. So just check this out. Circular economy. Go now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the